garlic spinach tomato yogurt casserole or garlic spinach tomato yogurt bowl. One of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the spinach recipes and one of the most unique of the spinach casserole recipes and one of the most delicious of the tomato casserole recipes and one of the most unique of the yogurt casserole recipes and one of the most delicious of the yogurt recipes and one of the most delicious of the tomato recipes. We're going to make garlic spinach yogurt casserole. We have taken around 200 grams of green spinach and 2 tomatoes cut into pieces. Heat the pan and put in 15 grams of ghee or clarified butter. Let it melt. Put in the onion pieces. Salt. Caramel. You can saute. Garlic sauce. Put in the garlic piece. Sauce the garlic piece. Now put in the ginger. salt to taste, salt, salt thoroughly, keep on salting. Thoroughly saute mix. Stalks of the spinach, put in salt to taste, put in a quarter spoon of coriander powder, put in a quarter spoon of turmeric powder, put in a quarter spoon of chili powder, salt, salt thoroughly, put in the tomato pieces, thoroughly salt, salt the tomatoes with the rest of the mixture, until the tomatoes become soft, salt and crush the spinach, green spinach, soft, soft thoroughly, pour in 100 ml of yogurt, mix thoroughly, and let it cook in low heat for garlic, spinach, tomato, yogurt casserole is ready and can be taken off the flame and served. This is the final garlic, spinach, tomato, yogurt casserole. One of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the yogurt recipes and one of the most unique of the yogurt casserole recipes and one of the most delicious of the tomato casserole recipes and one of the most different of the spinach casserole recipes and one of the most unique of the garlic recipes and one of the most delicious of the spinach recipes. If you like the video, please like, share, comment, subscribe, and press the notification button.